March 7th. When the puppies play, of course it's in the bathroom, but then I don't have to worry about cleaning up behind them. They're pretty rambunctious tonight, so. Joy is a little on the more aggressive side. That's the one with the little white collar. And the light tan face, and the one that's running to me. Hi, sweetheart. They really like that fake mouse or whatever that is, rat. Jasher really likes it. Hey, Joy, what's wrong? Jericho! What you got, Jericho? Well, defend your little rat, Jericho. What's wrong, sweetheart? Want you to play? What you need, sweetheart? Oh, go play. Here. Go ahead. Go play. Silly Joy. I don't know what her problem is. Hey, Jericho. Silly puppies. About 10 or 15 minutes of this, and I'll be ready to go to bed. And Jericho, ouch! Jericho, that's my toe. Jericho likes feet. He has a foot fetish. He's always chewing on my socks. What you think, Jeremiah? My, girls. And there's Jericho. Joy, you're just a little Spitfire, aren't you? Not living up to that name of Joy. I should be calling you Spitfire. Hey, Josh. No, Jericho. There's Jasher. Jeremiah. Hey, Josh. True silly stinkpot, Jeremiah. And little Jericho. What you think, Jericho? Whoa. Here you go, Joy.